Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use Chrome's built-in password manager safety check. Open Chrome, click the three dots, top right, scroll to find settings, head over to privacy and security on the left side panel, right? Go to safety check, right? Or security, right? And now all you gotta do is make sure to click check now to scan for compromised passwords, weak credentials, and refused or reused logins, and follow the on-screen prompts to update any insecure account, right? So if you didn't find it here, right, you can just go ahead to the passwords, right, or autofill passwords and check it manually, right? So yeah, consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you. Hi, welcome to this video.